away, you stupid dog! Dog!
Oh no! Engine leak! Oh my God!
Lost and found, please report to gate 3.
Stay back! Move away from the bus! Everyone off the bus! Stay back!
Oh my God, look at the flames!
Float, run!
We need immediate assistance. Send the fire department now. We have a massive blaze.
Get back!
Everyone clear the street right now.
Good boy. You saved them all. He just saved a bus full lives. Guess I owe you one, partner.